Welcome back to the Style3D AI channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change model poses and backgrounds with AI without losing a single clothing detail. Whether you're designing a fashion catalog or creating 3D visuals, this tool saves time and keeps your garments looking sharp. From the home page, go to the AI photoshoot section. Here, you'll see two amazing tools: Change Model Background and Change Pose. Both let you enhance your designs without distorting fabrics or textures. Let's begin with Change Model Background. First, upload your main model photo under Upload Source Image. Then, start with your prompt describing your scene. Once ready, click Generate. The result keeps your clothing details clean. No blurring, no edge loss, just a seamless background swap. For our second example, I'll replace a runway scene with a simple light gray studio background. Upload, select background, and generate. The lighting automatically adjusts for a natural, realistic look. Now, let's try Change Pose. Under Upload Reference Image, select your original model photo. Then, under Select Reference Image, upload or pick the pose you want your model to match, or you can put in a prompt. Finally, click Generate. Notice how Style3D AI keeps the garment's proportions, folds, and fabric realism consistent even after the pose change. For the last example, I'll change a sitting model into a walking fashion pose. Same process, upload the model, write your prompt, and click Generate. The AI intelligently repositions the body while maintaining clothing accuracy. And that's how easy it is to change model poses and backgrounds using Style3D AI without losing a single design detail. It's fast, precise, and perfect for elevating your fashion visuals. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Style3D AI videos. See you in the next one.